Rooms are
All right,
now
guys,
open.
we're on deck 3 aft. That's our room, 254. The card. There we go, and it's a ocean view. Okay, not too bad, huh? Same thing as most. All right, big TV in these. We have 2 closets, with one with a safe, one with a hangers, an extra bed, and then a bed. And then we don't have a balcony this time, but we do have a window, a very large window. And we'll see how well this works out, okay? We'll have to have the bed split because I'm traveling with my sibling this trip. And then you have air conditioning controls. And let's check out the restroom. Oh, look at that. Look at that big shower with the pull door. And then we have the vanity, big sink. Yeah, looks good, huh? All right, guys, that's a quick tour. Ocean view, 3254. Thanks, guys. Take it easy. We'll see you again in the next video.